Welcome. If you've noticed Chrome automatically verifying sites without asking, today you'll learn how to turn that off quickly. This updated guide will show you every step you need to follow so you can keep full control over your browser. First, open Chrome on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version so the settings will look the same as shown in this updated tutorial. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots. That's the menu icon. This opens several options, and from here, you'll need to select Settings. Chrome's Settings menu can look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're only focusing on one specific section today. After you've opened Settings, scroll down until you find Site Settings. Tap on it to open all Chrome permissions and content controls. This is where Chrome manages how websites interact with your browser, things like permissions, pop-ups, cookies, and more. Inside Site Settings, look for Auto Verify. Depending on your version, this option may be under Advanced Site Controls or appear directly in the list. Tap on Auto Verify to open its settings. Here's the key part. You'll see a small toggle switch next to Auto Verify. By default, it's turned on to allow Chrome to automatically verify sites for login or access permissions. To disable it, simply tap that toggle so it moves to the off position. Once it's off, Chrome will no longer automatically verify sites without your input. That's